Hey, welcome to Analog Voice and welcome to my channel. I am a vocal coach in New York. I teach online. I'm also an electronic musician. I have two channels. This is my singing channel. I love teaching, especially those who are starting out. And also I have my music channel, which I will post a link down below. For those who are interested in checking out my other channel, might be to your taste. Anyway, singing from the diaphragm. How to do that? Well, when I started learning how to sing, I had no idea what that was. I would go to my teachers, and I heard crazy things from some teachers. Sing from the diaphragm, sing from below. What the hell does that mean? I have no idea. Do you know what it means? I'm already talking. What do you mean sing from the diaphragm? I also heard sing from your hard palate. What? What do you mean sing from my hard palate? Place a sound in your hard palate. Honestly, before that teacher, I've never heard that before. And that was an upscale teacher in New York on the Upper East Side. That was insane. Sing from your hard palate? Anyway, I almost hurt my voice going to that teacher. And I only went to that teacher twice. I actually don't remember where I found that teacher. You got to be careful when finding a singing teacher. But that's for another video. Anyway, you breathe in. Air comes into your lungs. And the diaphragm is a muscle below your ribcage, flattens. Acts like a suction. Your belly should expand down below. Now what your job is to make sure that it's difficult for that diaphragm to go back to base or interrupt the sound. It's about resistance and pressure down below. As you go higher, your belly will expand. You want to hold that expansion. If you take your hands and you put them on your sides, breathe down into the belly, and you will feel the front expand, the sides expand, and also the back expand. Make sure that does not collapse. That is what your job is as a singer, for it not to collapse. So, let's say I am doing the scale here. La. I want to make sure that everything on top, my upper body, is very relaxed. La. My throat is relaxed. La. And as I get higher, I will feel more activity from my tummy. La. It's pushing out a little bit. La. And I do not want it to collapse. La. Sing with me. La. You feel that fullness down below in the tummy? La. Make sure it doesn't collapse on you. La. Make sure that it does not collapse. What helps if you take your hands and you put it to the sides and make sure that your tummy presses against that. La. Allow the sound to escape. Do not push. Push out. La. Was a little flat on that note. La. Keep going. Allah. Let's do that again. Allah. Great. Allah. 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 I am really pushing out on those high notes. I will not want it to collapse, because if I do that, Allah, I'm not even going to get there. Everything down below is the gas. You want to just allow the sound out to make sure that just enough air gets through to get those chords to vibrate. Just make sure you don't push. You don't do this. Allah! That hurts just trying to sing like that and giving you an example. Just make sure you don't push. Allah! No, that does not feel good. That feels strenuous and it's very unpleasant. Make sure that you do not push the sound when doing the scale. Make sure that you push out. Out. Not down. It's an outer feeling, not an internal feeling. It's not like you're going to the restroom. You're pushing out. Anyway, thank you for watching my video, and I will see you in the next video.